Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to delete your Discord account permanently. So let's get started. So first thing, just open your Discord mobile app, and to the rightmost bottom you will be having your profile icon. Just click that, and here you will be having your profile, and to the rightmost top you will be having the settings. Click this, and here you will be having account, and in some cases you will be having the account option here itself, so you don't want to go to the settings in that case, but I am having like this interface, so I will go to account, and if you scroll down in the account, here you will be having the delete account option. I am getting this warning, you own servers. In order to delete or disable your account, you must transfer the ownership of all the servers that you own. So we will be getting this warning thing when we own some Discord servers already. For example, I have started a Discord server earlier and I am the owner or the leader of that server. So now if I try to delete my Discord account, we need to transfer that ownership to some other person. So in order to do that, you can just go to your server. So this is my server that I'm having. So I'll just click on it. If you're having the three dots, you can click on that. And we're having the settings, click that. And if you scroll down, you'll be having the members option over here. So I don't have any members in my server, I am the only person over here. In case if you're having multiple members, you can just search the member's username. So after finding that member, just click on the name and just select transfer ownership or assign a different role that you have. Or in case if you don't have any members at all in your server, what you can do is you can just go and delete your server. So again, go back, you'll be having the settings, exact same thing, and you'll be having this overview. And here if you scroll down, we'll be having delete server, so you can just delete it. Yeah, now the server has been deleted. Now again, go to your profile, settings, account, and now if I select the delete option, here you can see I'm not getting that pop-up warning again because we have transferred the ownership or we have deleted our empty server. So now if we type our password, our Discord account will be getting deleted. So that's it. Once you are done deleting your Discord account, you'll be getting an interface like this, just a login page. I hope you would have found this video useful, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. I've done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Check the playlist, subscribe me. Thanks for watching.